Hi everyone, look what I got you today, this silicone mat for baking. It's really nice, and what's so cool about it that the packaging comes in two of them, and what's so more cool about it that it comes with numbers here, so it tells you exactly like the measurements for the bread. So you basically put it in the pot like this here, look at it. So it helps the bread not stick in the bottom of the pot when you are baking your bread, and you can basically bake cookies and everything you want, and you can measure the size of the bread by just choosing the diameter, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is like a 9-inch diameter cookie or bread silicone base. These two is like to pull it out, so once it's done baking you just like pull it out like this. It can withstand 40 to 445 degree Fahrenheit, and also it's 9 inches, and it's silicone, 100% silicone. I really like it, and I like the sling handles from here, which is super cool. And I would like to use it for my cake as well, because I always get my cake stuck in the bottom of the pot. So let's do some baking. I have this little dough here, and I would like to spread it over the 5 inches or 4 inches diameter. So that's what am I gonna do right now, is I'm gonna spread it and keep spreading until I have, we can just put it inside the oven like this. Just make sure you just don't put it in fire, don't like expose it to direct fire. As long as you just put it in the oven like this, it's good. Now the bread is ready. Wow, look at this. Wow, I'm so excited. Let me see. Whoa, no, we need to wait for it to cool down, and then we can carry it. But look at this, the bread did not get stick in the bottom, which is what exactly we need, and this did not melt. This is amazing. I hope you like it, and keep baking. Thank you for watching. Bye.